Good morning, everyone. Let's do our handwriting for the week. But first, please take your writing hand, whether it be your right hand like me, or if you're left-handed, please use your left hand to warm up your fingers. Let's do 10 flicks or stars. Ready, and 1, push hard, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Now I want you to stretch your fingers as far apart as you can from each other, and you are going to pretend almost like there are webs in between each finger, like an animal that has webbed feet, almost like a duck. Okay, and you're stretching hard. Okay, let's count in Afrikaans. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, say it with me, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done, and relax, flop it out. And now I want you to just make your wrist very floppy and go up and down. And then side to side. Well done. All right. You're going to write the date for me. Remember, capitals in color, the date, and the heading, handwriting. You can either do your dots or you can use line 1, line 2. So if you are to number here, this would be a line 1, that would be a line 2. So the dots are where the line 2 is, remember? Line 1, line 2, and we always rule off on a line number 1. And then after line 1, it's game over. You start counting 1 again. So all of the little letters, their tummies are in a line 2. Capital letters stretch into a line 1. The D has a tall, long neck. The G has a long tail which stretches, and then you rule off on the tail of that G. Right, now you pick up your favorite color, and we're going to do the E pattern. So you start here in a line 2, please, only, and you go diagonally and you twist up, and you need to come straight down. Diagonal, twist, straight down. Okay, so start off, and I'm going to continue here to show you what it looks like. Try not to lift that crayon until you get to the end of your line. Diagonal, twist, straight down, please. Make sure you're using a pencil crayon, not a twisty. Twisties are too thick for handwriting. Go all the way until the end of your page, please. Right, then switch to your pencil in a line 2 again, in a dot line. You're going to do the cursive E. So it is one of those patterns, okay? One. So just like you did now, diagonal, twist, straight down, touch down, lift off. Remember that aeroplane touches down and the aeroplane lifts off and stops there. Finger space, another one, finger space, and another one. You're going to do one row like that. Okay, then you're going to combine 2 together. So the touchdown lift off turns into another one, just like you did with your pattern, but now we've got 2 together. Okay, and you're going to do that all the way until the end of the line. Right. After the E, this letter, do you know what it is? It's the B. So we start at the bottom there on a dot line, line number 2, and you twist up, you go up, 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 you twist at the top almost like you're doing a L. Then when you come down, you're going to make a cup, and then you're going to give it that little lip at the end. Now remember, in this cup, if I've got to fill it with water, the water mustn't spill out. It must be nice and straight. So if I put water in here, it does not spill out. Finger space, another B. Finger space, another B. I'm going to do a row like that. In your reference file that was emailed to you, or if you've got your reference file with you, There are pages of cursive letters that show you exactly how to start and end them as well. Then on your next line 2, you're going to do be, which makes the word be. But this one, be, also makes the word be. Now, which bee is this and which bee is that one? Do you know? Which one is the bee, the insect? The one that buzzes. It's this one. That's the insect. Okay, this one is the other bee, like be careful. All right, so you're going to alternate. So you're going to do be, like be careful. Alternate means then you do the other one. Then the insect, bee. And you alternate again. Okay, then I can't fit in the insect bee again, so that's where I'm going to stop. All right, now the next one we're going to do bit by bit. We're going to do the F, which looks like this. But firstly, in a line 2, we're going to do the first bit of it. So it starts like that B, okay, or like you're doing an L. We're going up, and it's got a long neck, so it goes into that line 1, twisting. Then you're going to come down, so it's got a long tail into that next line 1. Finger space, again, up, twist, down, okay? Diagonal, twist, straight down. One more, diagonal, twist, straight down. Just a row like that. Okay, then we're going to try to do the rest of it. So now you're in that dot line or the line 2. So you're going to start. Now you'll notice that I've done mine in the gap because I don't want mine to collide or crash into that there. So go up, twist, straight down. Now when you come straight down, you're going to curl and you're going to join it in the middle there, and you're going to do a little lip. Okay, you'll notice that they share a line 1 here. They should do that. If yours is not sharing, you've made a mistake with your numbering and your dots. Okay, so I'm going to do it in the gap again. Diagonal, twist, straight down, curl, touch, and lip. Okay, I'm going to do one more to show you from scratch. All right, one row like that. Then you can continue the rest on your own. We've got F, E, F, E, F, E. So just one row of joining an F and an E together. All right. Then the next line, we learned the X last week. Now we have EX, X, like I went to my ex school yesterday, so a school that you were at. Okay, so E. Now remember the X, you twist down. Now you've got to lift up, you go to the 2 o'clock and their backs touch. There we go. Okay, one row of X's. Then, like last week, you wrote zebra. I'd like you to try and write zebra again. So, one row of zebras. Remember the Z. Twist like that. Down. E. B. R. Zebra. Okay, row of zebras, however many times you can fit it in on that line. And then, what does this word say? H-A-R-E. Hair. Now, what hair is that? Is that the hair on your head? No, that is a wild rabbit. That is that type of hair. So, H and that as many times as you can on the line, and you end off again with your E pattern in that dot line or the line number 2. And then remember, this is teacher code for rule off, and we always rule off on a line number 1. That would be a line number 1. Okay, enjoy. See you next time.